subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Lenovo recently announced its new laptop, Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 14 2021 in both Risen Edition and Core Edition. Now, the company has confirmed that the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pro 14 2021 Core Standard Edition is available for pre-order in China, for a price of 5,066 yuan, which roughly converts to $776. The device can be purchased in 3 variants. One is powered by Intel's Core i5 to 1135 G7, while the other variant has an MX450 graphics processor. There's a third variant that is powered by the Intel Core i5-11300H processor. The company has also confirmed that the device has passed the Intel Evo certification, making the device power efficient, and comes with improved performance and boot timing as well as battery life. As for the display, the laptop features a 14-inch screen that offers a 16:10 aspect ratio, 2240 by 1400 pixels screen resolution, 100% sRGB color gamut, 300 nits brightness, and DC dimming. It has also passed NICE of Hardware Low Light certificate. The Xiaoxin Pro 14 2021 Core Standard Edition packs 16GB LPDDR4X, 4266 RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD. It supports dual full-speed Lightning port, 100 WPD fast charging, and comes with a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack. The device packs a 61W larger battery that offers about 19.1 hours of battery life. To make sure that the laptop doesn't heat up, there's a dual heat pipe and dual fan cooling system with support for the 4th generation FN+Q smart adjustment function. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.